Quick word, guys. Let's talk about Bitcoin and the bullish advance that has been circling around this 3-hour time frame. You could see on the MACD that this circle has been here. For me, it's a bullish divergent pattern, but I don't know where it's heading to. But it has been here since yesterday. Like I did the last video yesterday, it was still here, and today the same pattern is still forming here. But if you go to 4-hour time frame, you see that the angles are changing. Like the angles are changing, and the trade is supposed to be like this, and then down here, and then to take up, and then if we balance this trade, then I expect we should be heading to somewhere here. But as the case may be, the trade is not moving that way, it's moving in opposite direction. So check out what is happening on the 4-hour time frame, guys. This is the 4-hour time frame, and it's automatically telling us something different on the MACD. See, the MACD is picking up, the shadow is showing already, and guys, if not for the inflection, I don't think this by this time we should still be on the bear market. As you see, the market moved like this, move here, move here. On a normal day, market is supposed to move this way. Market is supposed to move this way for a bear market, and then for a bullish market, market is supposed to move this way. For a bullish market, market is supposed to move this way, and then if the market is stable, and then the market should be moving this way before it will pick up to wherever it's going to. See that it will be breaking down or it will be a bump. There are other things we need to discuss about, so let's head down to today's business. So guys, look at it. I could be seeing a reason why Bitcoin has refused to drop. You know, why Bitcoin has refused to drop below 17k. I should be on this chart. So guys, you see the movement. It should be on this chart. See, it should be on this chart. A bullish divergent. Look, I should be on this chart. So our awareness target should be taking Bitcoin up. Like I've always said, should be taking Bitcoin up this target, but we still have a strong resistance at 22k, which is around this corner here. Probably that is why this is here. A very strong resistance at this place. Yeah, a very strong resistance at that point. And another resistance up here at 31,000, another resistance again at this place at 28,000. So probably this is how the market is going to move comes weeks. So yes, we could see the market is still trying to maintain its position, as the market has been in a dive. The market has been in a dive, and the market is trying to maintain its position. The market has been in a dive all the way down to this place, and you see the market is trying to pick up again, which may take time, but probably the market will still pick up. So let's keep our eyes on this. The chart is an important one. Let's keep our eyes. It's a pickup, so let's not be taken by surprise. This is another trading pattern, which I don't think the market will go down here, because it will be really bad. I think the market will go up. A lot of people have been bringing out their different options, saying Bitcoin is going down to 10,000. Some people say Bitcoin will go as low as 1,000. Some people say it will go as low as 9. For now, don't put all you have in the market. Trade carefully. Don't put all you have in the market. For me, if Bitcoin is moving, this should be our next target. Because it has to retest this point here, corresponding with this point. This should be our next target. If Bitcoin is moving, so that should be our next target. If Bitcoin is moving. So guys, this should be the inflation report. As of yesterday was the worst, 41 points. Man, that has been the worst. And at the same time, Euro keep printing currencies, and the Euro keep dumping, and you see massive pump in USD. It's really affecting the market at the same time.